Hi students, today we are going to deal with the subject of the data communication and networks. In this data communication and networks, we are having the 5 units. The first unit will be covers the introduction to data communication. Second unit completely covers the data link layer, and third unit network layer, and fourth unit transport layer, and fifth unit application layer. In this data communication and the networks, first we are going to see the introduction to data communication. In this introduction to data communication, we want to see what is a data, what is a communication, what is a data communication, what is the need of data communication. In this, data is nothing but a information. Data is nothing but information. In this, the data can be defined as the entities that convey meaning or information. The signals are electric or electromagnetic representation of the data. Data can be two types. One is analog data and second one is digital data. This analog data, you are going to see the analog data is nothing but a continuous form. Analog data is a type of data that varies continuously with respect to time. Voice and video are the best example of analog data. The other examples are temperature, pressure, etc., etc. We are going to see the diagram. The analog data is a continuous data. Analog data is continuous data, and it is going to be represented in the figure. Digital data. Digital data is the type of the data that can be on discrete values. The examples of digital data are text and integers. The diagram is showing the digital data representation. If you are going to observe the difference between the analog and digital, here the analog is a continuous and the digital is discrete one. What is the data communication? The aim of the data communication and networking is to facilitate the exchange of data such as audio, text, video, between any points in the world. The word data refers to the information which is represented in a form that is agreed by the users and creators of the data. What is a data communication? Data communication is exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission media, computer to computer and computer to printer, sending email, browsing internet sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. The main components for the data communication is 5 components are required for any basic data communication. Number 1 is message, number 2 is sender, number 3 is medium, number 4 is receiver, number 5 is protocol. These are the 5 major components will take place in a data communication. The diagram showing the sender having the SOAP protocol, we require the one medium to transmit the message, and the receiver having the some protocols, and these are the basic components are required to transfer the message from the one place to the another place. Message. What is a message? Message is nothing but information or data which is to be sent from one point to the other. A message can be in the form of sound, text, number, picture, video, or combination of them. Sender. Sender is the device which sends the message. Medium. It is physical path over which the message travels from the sender to the receiver. It can be wired or wireless. Receiver. It is the device which receives the message. Next one is protocol. Protocol is defined as a set of rules which govern data communication. The connection of two devices takes place via the communication medium, but the actual communication between them will take place with the help of protocol.